Hey there! In this video, we're going to show you how to specify the contacts that will use the bubble feature in Messenger. The bubble feature is a fun way to keep your conversations easily accessible, and you can now choose which conversations you want to use it with. Here are the steps. Step 1. If you haven't already downloaded the Messenger app, head over to the Play Store and search for Facebook Messenger. Look for the chat bubble with a sideways lightning bolt and its gradient purple and blue color scheme. Tap on Install, and wait for it to finish downloading and installing. Step 2. Once you've signed into your account, tap on the 3 stacked lines located at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will open a menu. Step 3. Tap on the gear icon next to your username. This will take you to the Settings page. Step 4. Scroll down to the Preferences section and tap on Bubbles. Step 5. You will see an option that says Selected Conversations can bubble. Tap on it. Step 6. You will be taken to a new screen where you can select the contacts that you want to use the bubble feature with. Simply tap on the toggle button next to the contact's name to turn on the bubble feature for that conversation. That's it. You've successfully specified the contacts that will use the bubble feature in Messenger. In conclusion, the bubble feature is a fun and convenient way to keep your conversations easily accessible. By specifying the contacts that you want to use the bubble feature with, you can keep your conversations organized and find them easily. We hope you found this guide helpful, and if you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.